Welcome. These are grammar lessons for Year 3 and 4 children, and this is Week 4, Lesson 4. Our learning objective for this lesson is to use speech marks correctly. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify direct speech within a text. You will also be able to remember the rules for using direct speech, and you will even be able to use speech marks correctly. Now, speech marks are something that you've been learning about for a while now, so this should just be a recap. Speech marks are sometimes called inverted commas or sometimes quotation marks. They show the reader when a character is speaking and mark the words that they are saying. There are 5 rules that you need to remember. Let's go through them together. Rule number 1. Speech marks belong at the start and at the end of the words being spoken. Your speech marks must go round the actual words that your character is speaking. Rule 2. All speech must start with a capital letter. Rule 3. Any other punctuation belongs inside the speech marks. Rule 4. You must start a new line when a new person starts speaking. And Rule 5. If you have not finished a sentence, use a comma before you close the speech marks. These rules should all be familiar to you. Hopefully, you can remember doing this in school in previous years. We're going to have a little bit of a practice today. This poster goes through all those rules again, and there are some examples for you to look at if you're not sure. When you're completing your task, perhaps pause the video on this screen so you've got the rules in front of you to help you. This is what your task looks like today. Now, you've seen this sheet before, but there are lots of different tasks on this sheet, and I don't think you will have done them all. So either start at the beginning if you haven't attempted this task before, or pick a task that you haven't yet done, read the instructions carefully. All of these tasks help you to practice using speech marks correctly. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.